Hello there. Today we are unboxing a Westcott green screen. After doing quite a bit of research, this one seemed to be the most promising, so I couldn't resist and bought it on Amazon for $79. If you need a green screen for your YouTube or Twitch channel, Westcott wrinkle-resistant backdrops seem to have the best reviews. It also comes with 25 green screen extractions, Cloud KO Light by 36 pix, web-based software and plugin. One of my favorite features is the handy fabric drawstring bag for easy storage and transportation. Just pretend you didn't see that. Laugh out loud. This one is 9 feet by 10 feet, is machine washable and gives you a virtually wrinkle-free surface. It also has a pocket pole and grommets so it can be hung easily. The screen is a matte fabric to ensure no reflections and can be easily gelled with lighting to change color. Here is a demo of what it looks like when I zoom in closer on the Westcott green screen. In a moment, I'll take this same clip and add the chroma key effect using Adobe Premiere Pro. One thing I didn't think about when I filmed this video outside is that the grass is green also. Oops. If you have any questions about this green screen, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.